Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. I'm Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless you wherever you're watching me from. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about sharing more knowledge about consultation. Alpha. We are going to be sharing more knowledge about consultation. Know more about consultation. Know what you need to know about consultation. Know how to go with consultation and everything entirely, orally. So what is consultation? Consultation, we mean, is a spiritual check-in. For example, you check about your future. You check about your destiny through consultation. You check about if your glory has been stolen through consultation. You check about how you can regain your glory back through consultation. You check about if you are from water, you consult to know how your spirit friends are doing in the water. Are they happy with you? Are you in a good terms with your spiritual friends? Are you in any way connected to your spiritual friends? Are they going separate way? Are you with them? Are you aligned with them? Have you acknowledged them? What you need to do to your spiritual friends in the water? Through consultation, they will open everything that you need to know. It doesn't matter. A lot of people, assuming now that I'm your pastor, you come to me for counseling. And I will see you, I will see your problem, and I will see the solution to your problem. It's also consulting. He's consulting your pastor to know what is happening to you. Assuming your husband is sick and you have been from one hospital to another. And nothing seems to be working well. He's not getting well at all. What you need to do is to do spiritual consultation. Because some of us will even be treating somebody that is sick medically, but we don't know that person needs herbal medicine to get healed. There's some sickness that will occur. We rush the person to the hospital, not knowing that is either that person that is being sick is not aligned together with his or her spirit, and that is why his or her spirit is tormenting him. Now you need to do consultation. A lot of people scare away from doing consultation because they feel like consultation is fetish. It's not fetish. It's not fetish. It is not even diabolic. It is you knowing who you are. Through consultation, as a person and as a living being that is watching me, you will get to know your roots through consultation. So that consultation that you are hearing, consultation, is for your own good. If you see any truthful person that can do your consultation for you, my dear sister, my dear brother, you will get to thank that person in a massive way. Because that person will reveal a lot of things to you. And again, there's some people that will even think that this consultation of a thing is going to say, in fact, the consultation will even give you money. The consultation will give you this and that. My dear, consultation is a gradual process. And that is why you need to make friends to anybody that is doing your spiritual work. You need to be close to that person. You need to make that person your friend, so that in any time, any day, you can call that person and beg that person to do your consultation for you. And that person will wholeheartedly do it without putting or removing anything from whatsoever that the person have seen against you. Consultation is needed in your life. Consultation is a gradual process. It's not, you can't do consultation once in your life. Once in your lifetime. It's a bit by bit. You do consultation today. Consultation will show you something. If you do it next tomorrow, it will still bring out something that you never knew about. You might even be aware of it. There's some consultation that will directly go to your village, Gong, and show you everything that is happening there. There are consultation you will do, and it will show you your life experience, everything about you. There's some consultation you will do, and it will go directly to whosoever that you are with, be it your husband, be it your boyfriend. There are consultation you will do, and it show you who your mother is, who your father is, who your siblings are to you. And that is why I am still saying that consultation is a gradual process. It's not once in a lifetime. It's a gradual process. You need to do it. Now, let me furthermore to answer some questions about people coming to me to ask me who will do their consultation. I do consultation, but with one condition. Do not pressure me. I do consultation with my heart. I give you my best, but don't pressure me. There's a lot of people that will tell you to check something for them, and the moment you check something, they will ask you another thing. They will continue to ask you. They will ask you, forgetting that you have another thing to do. Don't pressure me. Let me do my thing with my church mind and give you the best of it. And another people asking me, we know we are having a lot of family that is joining us all the time, every blessed day. I do consultation with money. And the reason why I collect money for my consultation is because I post video on YouTube. And through that consultation money, I use it and buy data and post video. And that is why I collect 10,000 naira for my consultation. Oh, no, the moment it is whosoever that is willing to do consultation. You do consultation. You favor me, I favor you. You favor me, I favor you. Your consultation money doesn't put food on my table. Yes, it doesn't. It only buy data for me. And you gain the more because you get to know who you are. Spiritually, you will get to know your root. You will get to know your destiny. You will get to know the type of business that when you do it, it will yield fruit, it will prosper you, and you will go far from the business. If you're having double mind, if you have two plans of a business and you don't know the one to go, you do consultation. Which one will favor me? Which one aligns together with my destiny? Which one should I do and it will yield fruit for me? Consultation will tell you, go to this one, go to this one. If the two are good, it will still tell you, follow your mind. If the two are not good, it will direct you to one particular business. And if you follow that instruction, my dear, you will go far in life. People don't like truth. People don't like to hear that you have to you have to follow some procedure. You have to follow into process before you will get to limelight. They just want it quick, fast. You will wait and tire. Don't say I did not warn you. You will wait and tire. So that is it for today's video, okay? And if you have watched this video and you have any question, let me know under the comment section and I will give you your feedback. I will reply as soon as possible, all right? Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. For now, stay safe and remain blessed. I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.